Good morning, children. This is class 5, value education, and today I am going to take chapter number 2, sharing is caring. And before I start, I would like to tell you that before that, in chapter number 1, we had studied about the chapter whose title was It's Alright to Be Angry. So, in that chapter, we had studied about the anger management. Okay, but there are no question and answers, no exercise work. Only that chapter is given for you to learn some good behavior or to manage your anger. Okay, in that chapter we had studied about how to manage the anger. Okay, without causing any harm to oneself or to the other people. So we will not be doing any exercise work on that, and definitely from this chapter number 2, sharing is caring, from here story type lessons we will see, and in these chapters we will be doing the exercise work, question and answer, fill in the blanks, and true and false, this sort of things. Okay, so don't worry about the first chapter. Don't think कि मैम ने करवाया नहीं, मैम ने उसमें कुछ नहीं है, because it is no exercise work is given in the book also, you can see. So don't worry about that. Okay, now I am starting chapter number 2, uh, uh, sharing is caring. Okay, it means if you share something with anyone, it means you care for that person. Okay, that is why you want to share. Okay, sharing anything with anyone shows that you care for that person. That's why you are ready to care. You are keeping in your mind the feelings of that person. Okay, so now here two pictures are given. In the first picture, to begin with, we have to take the picture that shows care, the attitude of caring. Okay, now here we can see in the first picture that two boys are sharing. One boy is sharing his tiffin with another boy. Okay, so this picture shows that caring, he cares for his friend, and he's giving him the privilege to share his tiffin. Okay, both of them are eating from the same. So we will put tick mark on this box. Okay, you also put tick mark under this picture. And the second one, no sharing is being done in this. Both the boys are eating from the separate tiffin boxes. No sharing. They are eating their own food. Okay, or tiffin we can say. So there is no sharing. Okay, so this we had to put a tick mark on the picture which was showing caring. Now we will go what is all written here. Caring is paying attention to others. Caring का क्या मतलब है? And as I told you right now that if you share something, it means you care for that person. Okay, attention to others, protecting others, and being considerate towards others. क्या मतलब इसका है कि आप अगर आप केयर कर रहे हो किसी के, इट मीन्स यू आर पेइंग अटेंशन, उसकी तरफ ध्यान दे रहे हो. मीन्स if the other person who is sitting next to you, or is your friend or your brother or sister sibling, so you care, you are paying attention, उसकी तरफ ध्यान देते हैं कि what he needs. Okay, and protecting others, दूसरों को प्रोटेक्ट भी करना. समटाइम्स इफ़ यू केयर you fight also if somebody wants to give any harm to your friend or to your brother or sister. Protecting, you have the feeling of protecting them, and being considerate towards others. और considerate होना का मतलब है कि keeping good feeling और taking care. Okay, consideration. Then strive to. At the end of the chapter, what points we are going to learn. Understanding what is caring, and हम समझेंगे कि caring क्या है. Know that caring is not limited to your friends. ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि caring जो आप करें वो सिर्फ friends से ही हो, बल्कि you can show this attitude to anyone if anyone is in the need. और ऑल ऑफ ए सडन एनी सिचुएशन अराइजेस, कोई सिचुएशन आ जाती है तो उसमें आप किसी भी यू मे गिव योर बेस्ट एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स एनीवन, एनी न्यू पर्सन ऑल्सो. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई द डिफरेंट वेज टू शो दैट यू केयर. और आप पहचानिए कि आप how can you show your feeling that you care for someone by different ways. Okay, in many different you can show time to time that you care for any person. Okay, so now we will go to the next page. Now from here the story starts, actual story starts. Enjoy reading. Okay, हम लोग इसको पढ़ेंगे कि क्या था इस स्टोरी में. We will enjoy reading of this. Now we will see. As soon, yes, from here starting. As soon as the bell rang for the recess, all the children ran towards the toys to play with them. Recess, what is the meaning of recess? Recess means half time, I mean break जिसको कहते हैं. Okay, interval or break during the school hours. Okay, जब रिसेस हुई तो ये दिस इज़ द स्टोरी अबाउट द स्कूल चिल्ड्रन. एज यू कैन सी दस टू चिल्ड्रन इन द यूनिफॉर्म. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी लाइक द लिटिल चिल्ड्रन लाइक यू. ओके, एज सून एज द बेल रिंग फॉर द रिसेस ऑल द चिल्ड्रन ran towards the toys to play with them. This is the story about the little children. Because in their classes there are some toys also to play. Some children were they all ran towards the toys to play during the recess time. The children loved playing with their toys and sharing them with their friends. And the children used to love their toys which they were from which they used to play and sharing with, they used to share with others. While everybody laughed and played with their friends, Ramya played with a puzzle set alone in a corner. और रम्या जो थी, रम्या, दिस गर्ल इज़ रम्या, दिस गर्ल्स नेम इज़ रम्या. रम्या ने क्या करा, शी वॉज सिटिंग विद ए पजल. पजल यू नो कि ब्लॉक्स होते हैं कुछ, उसमें पजल अलग अलग ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, उसको पजल उसको सॉल्व करके कंप्लीट पिक्चर बनाना होता है. एज यू कैन सी हियर दिस. ओके, तो शी वॉज सिटिंग इन ए कॉर्नर विद ए पजल. She was not interested to talk to anyone or to play anyone or share anything with anyone. She was sitting alone and she was busy in solving that puzzle, making the perfect picture of the puzzle. Okay, she was sitting alone in a corner. Then one of her class fellow, whose name was Vikram went to her and asked. Vikram उसके पास गया, उसने उससे पूछा, may I play the puzzle set with you? उसने कहा कि मैं भी तुम्हारी हेल्प करूँ, तुम्हारे संग खेलूँ. ये let both of us do this puzzle, solve this puzzle. No, replied Ramya. Ramya ने कहा no. She was not interested to give that or she never wanted him to interfere in her work. But sharing is caring, he said. उसने कहा कि शेयर करो. Sharing means that you are caring for someone. I don't care, said Ramya and turned her face. और उसने उसको कह दिया, I don't care means I don't care what you are thinking about me or what lecture you are giving me, what you want to say. And she turned her face. उसने अपना मुंह घुमा लिया. She never wanted to talk to him and she never bothered to give him a good answer. Okay, then the next day during the art class, all the children, and this is another incident which happened in the next day. In the next year during the art class, all the children were drawing with their crayons. Or in the next day when there was a art class, all the children were drawing. They were making drawing with the crayons. You know, children, crayons are plastic colors. You all know, and you must have used also. Sushmita was one of the classmates of Ramya. Sushmita's blue crayon was missing. Sushmita could not find her blue color because it was missing. It was missing somewhere. She could not find it. Ramya had the blue crayon that Sushmita wanted. रम्या के जो crayon box था, she had that blue color which Sushmita wanted to use. She went to Ramya and asked, "May I borrow your blue crayon?" उसने कहा कि तुम मुझे अपना blue crayon दे सकती हो. No, she replied Ramya. Ramya ने कहा no, मैं नहीं दूंगी. उसने she refused to give her. But sharing is caring, she said. उसने कहा कि लेकिन sharing, she said that their slogan कि sharing is caring means if you are sharing, it means you care for the people. I don't care. You see in this photograph that she is doing her work and she is little bit irritated also. And she doesn't want Sushmita to be closer to her. Okay? In this way she is saying ki I don't care. I am busy and I am happy with my work and you please don't. In other words, she wanted to say that don't interfere in my work. Okay? And she refused to give her the blue color, which was she already had. You see, this blue color is here, but she never gave it to Sushmita. Okay? I don't care, said Ramya and gathered her crayons. And very quickly she gathered all her crayons so that Sushmita should not see her blue color. Okay, so she gathered. उसने सब जल्दी से इकट्ठा कर लिया, उसको सबको समेट लिया. गैदर करना माने जमा कर लिया, इकट्ठा करना. The next day of school, it was Astha's birthday. Next day another incident happened. Astha was also one of the classmates of Sushmita and Ramya. So she had got cookies for all the entire class. Or she had brought cookies for the whole class. The cookies were counted and just enough for everybody. Sushmita had brought the cookies for each, at least one for each child. Okay. Just then Ramya was about to take a big bite of her cookie. She dropped it. क्या हुआ कि Ramya was, as she was about to eat her cookie with a bite, that cookie fell from her hands and it fell on the ground. Okay, on the floor. She was taken aback and she was shocked. Taken aback means she was shocked because it all happened all of a sudden. Okay, she had really wanted to eat that cookie. She really wanted to have that cookie. She was interested to have that cookie. It had smelled so nice. उसकी smell बहुत अच्छी थी. But she had dropped hers now and there were no more left. और जो उसको मिली थी, she had got only one and that also fell on the ground and there were no more left. उसके पास और नहीं थी कि वो उसको खा सके. ठीक है. Just then Ashima walked up to her. फिर another girl, Ashima, who was the classmate of Sushmita. Just then Ashima walked up to her. Ashima उसके पास आई. She broke her cookie in half and offered Ramya a piece. उसने क्या करा? Before eating her own cookie, Ashima broke her own cookie into 2 pieces and she offered 1 piece to Ramya. Okay, she said, "Well, I saw that you dropped your cookie." उसने कहा कि I have seen that your cookie has been fallen. You have dropped by mistake, by chance. But no problem. उसने कहा कि कोई problem नहीं है. I can share mine. उसने कहा कि मैं अपनी cookie तुम्हारे संग share करूँगी. So children, I think this is enough for today. We will see what happens next. And I would like to advise you to read that what happened next. And I will tell you what actually happened. She learned the lesson to share the things with the others because Ramya had this feeling that she should not share anything with anyone. Okay, because she refused first to Rohan, not Rohan, Vikram, and to Sushmita also, because she wanted her blue crayon and she refused to give her, and she said no. She never wanted to share her things or her play with anyone. So children, I think this is enough for today. Okay, we will see the second part of it in the next video. Thank you.